Welcome to ES 375 Sport and Exercise Psychology class. My name is Susumu Iwasaki, a faculty member in the Exercise Science Department at the Fort Lewis College. Some of you may know me already. I am originally from Japan and earned my last degree in sport and exercise psychology at the University of Kansas. I played and coached basketball and practiced a martial art, which is kendo. These experiences brought me to the sport and exercise psychology study area. I enjoy teaching and researching the area. So let's talk about this class. So this class is offered online format and the period is only 5 weeks. My best guess is that time goes by very quickly. Here, I would suggest you a couple of points to be successful in this class. So first, you would like to check in Canvas every day so that you can keep up yourself, what to do, your assignment, discussions, and then self-check exams. Second, be proactive. That's another key. For example, when you are confused for some assignments, you could ask your classmate or instructors, which is me, as soon as you realize it. Check the module 0 for discussion board to clarify as well as use the online office hours. I can also be available by phone and Zoom or Skype meeting as you need it. Please check in with me. I am very excited to have all of you in this class and talk to you soon.